Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am doing this kind of pink glittery eye look using the collection matte and metallic eye pencil liquid stick thing. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So the first thing I do is just make sure that the eyelid is kind of clear from any creasing, and just add a little bit of excess powder that's on my sponge, and then I go in with this. So this is the collection matte and metallic liquid eyeshadow. I can't remember what shade I have this in, but I'll put it on the screen somewhere. So the first thing I do is I go in with the matte side, which looks like this. It's like a pinky shade, and just apply that onto the eyelid as a base, just roughly applying that on. And then I take just a plain fluffy brush, like this, and just kind of blend all of that out. It is quite a sheer consistency, but I go on top with then the shimmer, so it looks like this one. So just blending that all out as a base, and then going in with the shimmer side, so the metallic, and this one is on more of like a pointier stick, and I just kind of apply that all over the eyelid. Just roughly again, because it's going to get blended in. And then just taking a fluffy brush and just blending that in as well, taking it right up to the brow. Find that these kind of liquid eyeshadows are really good if you're in a hurry, or if you're not exactly if you're not somebody who really likes doing makeup. These are really easy to use and quick, and they create a quick look like that. And then I'm just going to go back in with a little bit more just on the lid, and then on top I'm just going to go in with my All the Stars palette and just take this shade, this one, and a little bit of that, just to set the shimmer, just setting it all in place. And then I'm just going to run a little bit underneath. And then for eyeliner, I just went in with my Huda Beauty Life Liner Quick and Easy, which is like this. Can you see my cat? Fluffy! And just draw a wing. Here goes nothing. And then just to clean up the sides, I just go in with a bit of a cotton pad with some makeup remover on, and just clear up the side a little bit, and then go in with some concealer, just a tiny bit of concealer. Then going in with my Misguided eye pencil and just running that up the lash line. Then going in with my nude pencil from Rimmel and putting that into the lower lashes. Applying some mascara. I'm just using my Maybelline mascara. And then applying some eyelashes. So I'm just using the same ones as I used in my last video, which are the ones by New Look Beauty. And I like these ones because they're really thin. They have a really thin band on them, so you can kind of get away with wearing these without eyeliner as well, because the band on them is so thin. So I'm just going to apply them and I'll come back. And here is the final makeup. Just added my lashes and a little bit of lipstick, and yeah, this is quite a pinky tone makeup look. It's quite summery actually, which I'm not mad at. I love a bit of summer and winter. So yeah, pretty simple, quick makeup look. And yeah, I'll put all the things that I used on my eyes in the description, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again with another video on Sunday. Thanks for watching.